Any horse race up to 5,000 exemption. Above 5,000 full amount taxable. Lottery, crossword puzzle, game shows, we have 30% tax. Monetary in the sense in the form of cash. Non-monetary in the sense like other than cash. Except UTI, everything comes under taxable and comes under income from other sources. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 2, unit 3 of your topic called tax management. Under tax management, we are discussing the topic income from other source. In the previous session, we done with all the theory concept, what is gift, what is dividend, what is interest, everything we learned in the previous session. In today's session, we go with practical things. Practical in the sense, we will work out problems on income from other source. So we'll go for the next slide. Your agenda is very simple. We'll go with the problems. This is your problem number 1. While reading one by one, I'll explain you the concept also. Now, the concept, please write down in a sheet because it is a common concept for all kind of problems in income from other source. Now, taxable income under the head income from other source. You are supposed to find out the taxable income under the head income from other source. Now, winning from Madhya Pradesh state lottery rupees 28,000 and winning from horse race 1,000. Winning from Rajasthan lottery 3,000. Winning from horse race of 49,000. Winning from crossword puzzle. Then gift received from friend London. See the amount, how much they have given. I'll come back to concept again. Winning from card game. See, card game I never mentioned while explaining the theory. The last session we were talking about your theory, all about income from other source. We discussed on crossword puzzle, game shows, and your any lottery income, horse race, gambling, yes, betting all came, but card game were not there. Remember that word. Then, purchase of lottery ticket of 3,000 and payment for betting of rupees. Horse race is 6,000. Lottery ticket purchase for rupees 3,000 and payment for betting is rupees 6,000. Next, winning from camel race. So in the previous session, I discussed about theory. In that, I have mentioned that horse race. I never mentioned camel race. Remember that. I'll tell you why I'm telling all this. Clear? Now, this will be your question. I'll show you the solution, how the solution will be. These are your solution like Madhya Pradesh. Horse race, amount not exceeding 5,000. Rajasthan lottery, not exceeding 10,000. Crossword puzzle, not exceeding 10,000. And gift card game, camel race. All these are your answer. Now I'll come to concept. What is the concept while doing your problem? Now, as per this, winning from Madhya Pradesh lottery. Remember, lottery, what is the maximum limit for lottery? Now, they have given in the answer. Horse race maximum is 5,000 and a lottery crossword puzzle are 10,000. Now, if you go with any race, horse race, if you go with like horse race, and if you go with any lottery puzzle or any crossword puzzle game shows. Now, so remember this, in the answer they have mentioned horse race not exceeding 5,000. Now, in this, If the horse race up to 5,000 exemption. Horse race up to 5,000 exemption. In the question paper, they have given winning from horse race 12,000. How much we should take? 12,000 taxable. Winning from horse race 40,000. How much is taxable? Complete 40,000 is taxable. Winning from horse race 2,000. Complete 2,000 is taxable or not? Not taxable. Why? Because up to 5,000 we have exemption. Only for horse race, there is no camel race, there is no cattle race, nothing. Only horse race is there under income from other source. Now, lottery, puzzle and other types of game show. Remember, card game will not come here. Card game is not part of your puzzle or your game show. Now, so in these cases, up to 10,000 exemption. So how many concepts you learned? 2 concepts. Write down concept number 1. Any horse race up to 5,000 exemption. Above 5,000 full amount taxable. Second one, lottery, puzzle and other kind of game shows up to 10,000 exemption. Above 10,000 is completely taxed. For example, it is 11,000. Complete 11,000 is taxable. How many concepts you learned? 2 concepts you learned. Concept 1, concept 2. Then, winning from Madhya Pradesh. I'll talk about this net later. Now, winning from horse race done. Up to what limit it is exemption? Horse race up to 5,000 it is exemption. Then, winning from horse race. Again they have given. Winning from Rajasthan State Lottery. Lottery up to what amount? Exempted. Up to 10,000 exempted. What is the amount we have? Only 3,000. Taxable or exempted? Exempted. Now, similarly, winning from crossword puzzle, we discussed. Gift received from friend. In the previous session, I explained you, I gave you all types of possibilities or examples for gift. In case of gift, up to what amount? Exempted. There are 3 things I told you. Your concept number 3. This is 1. This is 2. Concept number 3 is gift. Gift from relatives. Exempted. Gift from friends. Up to 50,000. Gift on occasion of marriage. So, exempted. Only 3 things you are supposed to learn. Up to 50 exempted means if you received 55,000, complete 55,000 is taxable. Now, in case of gift, see, gift received from friend. Is it relative? Your friend? No. Is it on marriage? No. Friends. So how much you have collected? 1 lakh. What is the limit? 50,000. If it exceeds 50,000, complete 1 lakh is called as taxable. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, winning from card game. Card game is not part of your other source. Card game is not part of your other source. Then, so this is not part of your answer. Then, purchase of lottery ticket. See, winning from lottery ticket we are talking about. We are not talking about purchase of lottery ticket. Purchase of lottery ticket is not part of your income from other source. So we will not consider. Even the gambling or betting also, there is no question of betting here. If there is anything like betting, we have to consider. In this, we don't have any betting games. Last one, winning from camel race. So we have only one in the income from other source, which is that winning from horse race. What is the limit? Up to 5,000 exempted. Above 5,000 it is taxable. But camel race, have I told anywhere? No. Camel race is not part of your income from other source. So what it will be? We are not supposed to consider. Hope you are clear. So how many concepts you learned? First one, all the horse race comes under up to 5,000. Exempted above 5,000, it is taxable. 1. Any crossword, puzzle, game show, lottery and all up to 10,000 exempted, above 10,000 taxable. Good. Third concept, gift. All the gift from relatives, it is exempted. From your friends or other than relatives up to 50,000 exempted, above 50 fully taxable. On occasion of your marriage, if you collected any gift, that will be exempted. It may be monetary, it may be non-monetary. What is monetary? Monetary in the sense in the form of cash. Non-monetary in the sense like other than cash, like car, mobile, your shopping bills, all comes under non-monetary. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, so we're done with the concept. Now I'll go for the answer one by one. Now, say winning from Madhya Pradesh State Lottery. Lottery, how much you have amount? 28,000. What is the limit? 10,000. It is above 10,000? Yes. Fully taxable. I'll come for this net later. Now, second one. Winning from horse race is 1,000. 1,000 means what is the limit you have? 5,000. Below 5,000? Yes. What is the answer? So it will be nil. Exempted. Then winning from Rajasthan State Lottery. What is the limit you have? For lottery, you have a limit of 10,000. So what we are supposed to do? You have only 3,000. So it is exempted. We will not consider. Then winning from horse race 49,000. 49,000 means it is above 5,000. Yes. Taxable. Yes. So it is completely taxable. Where is that? Yes. 49. Don't calculate tax. Your question is only what? You have to write which are comes under income from other source. No need to calculate like 10%, 5%, 2%. No calculation. Only you have to write whether it is a taxable or not. That much only your job. Now, winning from crossword puzzle 2,500. Should we take? So, crossword puzzle, what is the limit? 10,000. How much we have? Only 2,500. Should we take? No, it is exempted. Next, gift received from friend in London. So, it may be in India or London. Any gift collected from your friend. What is the limit? Up to 50,000 exempted. But you have collected more than 50,000. So, it is what? It is taxable. Then, winning all three will not come. Card game is not part of your income from other source. And lottery, whatever payment you made will not consider. And winning from camel race also not part of your income from other source. Now, what about this net? Here also we have. Here also we have. I'll tell you the concept of net. What is the concept of net here? Like, you have salary of 10,000. Example, what is your salary? 10,000. What is your salary? 10. Now, in this, you have PF, you have ESI, you have some gratuity, you have some medical allowances, everything. It will come 2,000. From 10,000, how much you will get? 8,000 you will get in the form of cash. Your salary is 10,000. In the 10,000, all your PF, gratuity, ESI, medical, everything will be deducted. And finally, you will get only 8,000. Now, in this, what happens? This 10,000, we call it as gross salary. What is this 10,000? Gross salary, your actual salary. But this 2,000, we call it as deductions. And whatever 8,000 you got, this we call it as net salary. Hope you are clear. If anybody asks you what is your salary, I'll tell my salary is 10,000. But in hand, how much you will get? For that, we call a word called net salary. Gross salary is this, net salary is this. Now, come back to this. Lottery. Lottery, they have given 28,000. 28,000 in the sense what? This is after deducting your tax. After deducting your tax. We are not calculating tax. We don't want tax. In this, we don't want net. We want gross. We want gross. Now, how to calculate gross salary? See, 8,000 they have given here. Net means what? They have given 8,000. We don't want 8,000. We want 10,000. How to find out? For 8,000, if you add 2,000, you will get your gross salary. Similarly, they have given net value. We don't want net value for your income from other source. We want gross value. We don't want net value. We want what? Gross value. We have to convert this into gross. How to convert? I'll show you. If this word is not there, we consider this as gross. If this word is there, we have to convert. Unless and until you convert, you will not get the right answer. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, we'll go. For this, Madhya Pradesh State Lottery, they have given net. So, we have to convert to what? Gross. Normally, for horse race, crossword, puzzle, lottery, everywhere, we have 30% tax. We have 30. In case of bank interest, we have 10% tax. Only two things are there. Lottery, crossword puzzle, game shows, we have 30% tax. And other than this, bank interest, deposit and all, we have 10% tax. Now, we'll talk about your lottery. 28,000 we have. Already 30% deducted. Will convert to gross. How? 30% deducted means 100 minus 30, it is 70. We have information for 70. We don't want information for 70%. We want information for 100%. How to calculate now? 28,000 multiplied with 100 divided by 7. Hope you are clear. Whenever they have mentioned net in the bracket, you have to do like this, into 100 by 70. If you do, you will get 40,000. Now I'll go back to your example. Your gross 40,000, deduction 12,000, 40 minus 12, 28,000. This 28,000 they have given in the question. We don't want 28, we don't want net, we want gross. For 28, you add 12,000, you will get 40. Why do we do all those into 100 by 70? To find out this 12. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, so we have done with this. Next one. Horse race amount not more than 5,000. So, no TDS. So, we will not calculate TDS. Then, Rajasthan State Lottery amount not more than 10,000. So, no TDS. It comes under income from other source. But, we don't calculate tax on that. Why? Because the limit is less. Next. Horse race 49,000. They have given in the question what? Net. We have to convert to what? Gross. How? 49,000 into 100 by 70. Same procedure. It will not change. Now, 70,000. Crossword puzzle amount not more than 10,000. So, no tax. We have to write in the amount column, but will not calculate any tax. Next. Gift from friend in London. It is 1 lakh. Next. Card games not subject to TDS. Now, camel race also not subject to TDS. So, these are the information we have. So, it comes under other source, but it is not subject to TDS. We will not calculate TDS on these two. Now, hope you are clear. This is your problem number 1. So, note purchase of lottery ticket and payment for betting are not deductible. So, this is all your problem number 1. I'll go out of this screen. Please take screenshot of problem 1. Your problem number 1, solution part 1, solution part 2 with note. So we'll go for your problem number 2. It is also one of the most important as well as your previous question paper problem. Now, so Sri Surya Putra has the following investment for the year. Here also you will learn one or two concepts. In the previous sum, you learned 3 concepts. One is lottery up to 10,000, horse race up to 5,000, and your gift 3 points you understood, and camel race card game will not come for your calculation. Now, so rupees 20,000 units of UTI income received is 4,000. Now, so 4,000 is what? Taxable, no limit, nothing. 80,000 in post office saving bank account which earn interest of 5%. How to calculate? See, 80,000 multiplied with 5%. How much you will get? So, you will get around 4,000. Remember, for post office, we have exemption up to how much? Up to 3,500 exemption. So, only 500 is taxable. Always remember, interest on post office saving bank account up to 3,500 we have exemption. This is a note number 4. Fourth note you are supposed to write. What is the limit for post office? Up to 3,500 exempted. Above 3,500 taxable. It is for individual. If it is HUF, you will not get problems on HUF. For HUF, it is up to 7,000 exempted. But don't remember the HUF number. Why? Because you will not get HUF, you will get only individual. But remember, for HUF, it is 7,000. For individual, it is up to 3,500 exempted. For example, they have given 5,000. 5,000 minus 3,500, 1,500 taxable. They have given 3,500 only. 3,500 minus 3,500, it is 0. If they have given 3,000, 3,000 minus nothing, it is 0. Clear? So it should not exceed 3,500. If it exceeds, that difference should be taxable. Now, remember, new concept, post office saving bank up to 3,500 exempted. Then, 72,000, 10% tax-free debenture of MYSURU Municipal Corporation. 72,000 multiplied with 10%, 7,200. Now, next. Karnataka State Electricity Board, it is 30,000. 30,000 into 14%. I'll come to answer there. I'll explain you more. 50,000 fixed deposit in Canara Bank. 50,000 into 8%. 50,000 multiplied with 8%. It will be 4,000. These are the calculation we are supposed to do. So compute the income from source of Sri Surya Putra from the above investment for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. Computation of taxable income from other source Surya Putra, like income from units of UTI exempted. Now, so in this, UTI comes under exemption. Other dividend, other interest, dividend from Indian company exempted. Other kinds of interest is taxable, but only except your UTI. Except UTI, everything comes under taxable and comes under income from other source. Remember the word UTI. UTI always exempted. Now, so UTI abbreviation is what? Unit Trust of India. Now, so up to 4 it is exempted, no limit, it is always exempted. Now, interest on post office, as I told you, 3,500 exempted, 4,000 minus 3.5, 500 is exempted. Then, so while calculating your tax-free debenture, how to calculate? Now, even though they have given 72,000, we have to assume that this is net. We have to convert to what? Gross. So debentures, what is a gross calculation? Now I'll show you. 72,000 into, for lottery what we used to do, 100 by 70, but here 100 by 90. only 10%. So you will get 80,000. On that 10%, you will get 8,000 as interest. So this is only your debenture. This calculation only for your debenture. Whatever amount they have given in the debenture, convert to 100%, then you calculate percentage. Now, the rest of the things are same. Karnataka State Electricity, 14%. They have calculated. It is already given in the question. And interest on fixed deposit, no need of converting. 50,000 into 8%. It is 4,000. Hope you are clear. Add everything. 16,700 is a taxable value. Now, so I'll go back to your previous slide so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 2. Two concepts you learned. One is UTI, always exempted. Post office up to 3,500 exempted. Debentures always convert to 100%. Answer. So this is all about your today's session. We worked out 2 problems, almost 70% of the concept we covered. While doing next problem or next session, you will understand same thing will be repeated. There is nothing much, only we have not done with MLA income, your dividend. I'll explain you what is MLA. What is MLA? Income, the member of Legislative Assembly. Whatever income they get, whether it is taxable or not, all those things we will learn better in the coming session. Thank you.